rectangles. A rectangle is a pattern formed when a price is bounded by parallel support and resistance levels. A rectangle exhibits a period of consolidation or indecision between buyers and sellers as they take turns throwing punches, but neither has taken over. The price will test the support and resistance levels several times before eventually breaking out from there. The price could trend in the direction of the breakout, whether it is to the upside or the downside. In the example above, we can clearly see that the pair was bounded by two key price levels, which are parallel to one another. We just have to wait until one of these levels breaks and go along for the ride. Remember, when you spot a rectangle, think outside of the box. Bearish rectangle. A bearish rectangle is formed when the price consolidates for a while during a downtrend. This happens because sellers probably need to pause and catch their breath before taking the pair any lower. In this example, price broke the bottom of the rectangle and continued to shoot down. If we had a short order just below the support level, we would have made a nice profit on this trade. Here's a tip. Once the pair falls below the support, it tends to make a move that is about the size of the pattern. In the example above, the pair moved beyond the target, so there would have been a chance to catch some more pips. Bullish rectangle. Here's another example of a rectangle, a bullish one this time. After an uptrend, the price is paused to consolidate for a bit. Can you guess where the price is headed next? If you answered up, then you're right. Check out that nice upside breakout right there. Notice how the price moved all the way up after breaking the top of the rectangle. If we had a long order on top of the resistance level, we would have caught some pips on that trade. Now, just like the bearish rectangle example, once the pair breaks, it will usually make a move that is at least the size of its previous range. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.